Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Toyota Corolla, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where the headlights relay is located, which relay you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's important guys to always test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we'll be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. The headlights relay, where you can expect to find it, we will guys demonstrate on that generation Toyota Corolla right here. Two relays will need to be checked, we will explain where you can find them. You will guys end up having multiple fuse boxes in that generation Toyota Corolla. Today we will be working a fuse box that's under the hood. So if you open the hood and you face the engine, on the right side under this cover you have a fuse box, and if you open that cover you will find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. For the headlights we need to check specifically two relays guys, okay. By the way, if you need to find headlights fuses, you have up to 5 of them. We have the video on our channel, Toyota Corolla headlights fuse location. If you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Toyota Corolla or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we will put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them. That way you do not waste your money and time. And here guys, the relay that we need to check, 2 of them, is that relay right here, and you need to check that relay over there. These 2 relays. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.